More endangered than the giant panda or the Sumatran tiger, the future of the northern hairy-nosed wombat was thought to be extremely bleak. 2 years ago, there were only 115 left in the wild. But a sustained conservation push centred on the wombat's last remaining habitat in central Queensland has seen its population increase by 20%. The state government today praised the efforts of national parks and wildlife officers involved in the project.
The population increase is a dramatic turnaround for an extremely vulnerable species in Queensland.
Now confined to a 3-kilometre squared section of Epping Forest National Park, north of Emerald, the animals were once found across vast stretches of Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria. With the future looking so bright for this iconic marsupial, the state government today announced plans to open a new sanctuary for the animals outside St George in the state's southwest. Harry Sillett, QUT News.